Hi everyone, this is Carmel from Imani Law, a trademark attorney, and I am going to be filing a petition to revive an abandoned application that my client had abandoned because they did not respond in time to file for an extension request for a statement of use. So if you are in this position, I'm going to show you guys and walk you through exactly how to do this. Just know that you have 2 months from the time you received your abandonment letter to file for this revival. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how to do this. The first step is to plug in your serial number for your application in this box and then click continue. The first question on the next page is, do you want to file a statement of use with the fees for the extension request that must be filed directly with this form? This only applies if you're in a situation where you have your statement of use ready, you have your specimen ready, and you're ready to provide all of that information now. You can go ahead and submit it here. However, in our case, our client is not in that position, so we're going to click no for this question number 1. The next page and the page after that, you just want to make sure that everything is correct. You're going to keep all the intended classes that you have unless you want to delete the entire class. Let's say you change your mind and you no longer want to do that specific class, then you can delete it. But in my case, applicant wants to continue keeping everything. We're just filing for a revival. So if that's the case, you want to just keep clicking continue to get to the next page. On this next page, the USPTO usually likes to have some sort of reason of why your statement of use has not been filed yet. You can click any of these that apply in your case. I'm just going to click the first one, product or service research development. So for my client, that is the one we're going to choose, and we're just going to go ahead and click continue. We're going to get to the last page, which is basically your invoice of why it's costing the amount. You're going to go ahead, sign the documents, and then you're going to go ahead and check this box, making sure that you have read everything, and then you're going to pay and submit. Before you pay and submit, you can always click on this where it has the input, where you can click and see, okay, everything that you have inputted, is all of that correct? Go ahead and click pay and submit. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your petition to revive. It was pretty straightforward, but again, there's always a little bit here and there that I thought maybe if you guys have any questions about, hopefully this video clears it all up. If you have additional questions or maybe are in a different position than that of my client, you can drop it down below and I can try to be of help. Otherwise, best thing to do is to schedule a one-on-one with me so we can walk through your particular application or your petition to revive.